Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Chef Gayan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make cream caramel. We need sugar 250 grams, water 100 grams, milk 1 liter, 12 eggs, sugar 200 grams, and vanilla essence 20 milliliters. Prepare the caramel. Bring to boil water and sugar over medium heat and stir gently until a caramel color forms. Quickly and carefully pour the caramel into the custard cups and immediately turn them around to coat the base. Prepare the custard in a medium bowl. Whisk or beat the eggs and vanilla essence until foamy. To boil sugar and milk over medium heat and stir gently until dissolve the sugar. Mix with egg until well combined. The custard into the custard cups. Place it in a baking or roasting pan and add enough water to come halfway up the sides of the cups. Place in the oven and bake in a 150 Celsius oven for 40 to 45 minutes until the custard is firm around the edges and fairly set in the center, and the tip of a knife stuck in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven. Carefully remove the cups from the pan of hot water and place on a cooling rack. Cover and chill. If serving time is more than 1 hour away. If you took something from this video, please like, comments, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet soon with next video.